JINZHI Silicone Wireless Remote Wearable Device for by JINZHI is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Made of high-quality silica gel materials, healthy and non-toxic, comfortable to skin touch. 10 vibrating modes will awaken your every passion. Bring you a more luxurious pleasure. Ergonomic design, perfect fit of the body curve. Accurate, compact and lightweight. Almost silent vibration make you immersed in extreme secret space. With wireless remote control and USB charging cable, convenient to operate and charge. Keep secrets in private packaging. The manufacturer will have a dedicated sealed box, unmarked packaging, a confidential delivery, and express orders. Specifications. Function, wearable. Materials, silicone plus ABS. Frequency, 10. Power, USB rechargeable. Remote control power, 1 by AAA Verteranet included. Control distance, 16.5 feet. Color, purple. Product size, amp. 98x106x34 mm 386x417 134 inch. Remote control size, amp. 30x75 mm 118x295 inch. Do not use it when it is being charged. Quantity, 1 set. Note. Transition, 1 cm equals 10 mm equals 0.39 inch. No retail package. Please allow 1-2 cm error due to manual measurement. Please make sure you do not mind before you bid. Due to the difference between different monitors, the picture may not reflect the actual color of the item. Thank you.